The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
Our stock of the day, which is Northern Star Resources, so it fits with the blue chip theme. Higher today, increased geopolitical uncertainty, but the gold miner is only partly recouping Friday's losses when it flagged equipment failures which are expected to cut its 2026 production. FY26 guidance is expected to be lower by up to 13%, coming in between 16 and 1700 ounces. So we've got that technical failure at the Super Pit mine in WA, which happened earlier in December, but was only told to investors last Friday. So my guests here, Mathan Somsamdaram and Kai Chen. Mathan, I know you like gold. I know possibly the previous conversation tells us why fundamentally, but Northern Star, that's a big disappointment.
Yeah. Look, I would say as an investor in gold miners, it's normal for cycle. You get operational issues every so often. You have to take the hit. If you can't handle that, you wouldn't be in the precious mining sector. It comes with the road, and but the bigger issue is, was that a structural problem? It's not. So in theory, the market will go past it. We had a hit and it bounced back. Gold is up somewhere around 1.5% to 2% today. And I'd suspect that'll ride through. I think the last update was also slightly negative, so I'm not surprised. But you know what? When your commodity price is going up, everyone looks like a genius. And that's what's going to help. This is one of the biggest players in the market. And, you know, if anything we've learned after the weekend is that sovereign risk matters. And you want to be in Aussie gold miners. You go anywhere else, the risk is going to get priced in fair bit.
Right. So is Northern Star a buy, hold, or sell today?
It's a massive buy.
Massive buy. Okay, Kai.
Yeah, on a similar thought, in terms of the downward revision, these operational issues happen to a lot of miners. And, when we're talking about structural, we're talking about, is it impacting its reserves? So if there's revision in terms of ore grade or their estimates, that's a bigger structural problem. Whereas these operational issues, they happen, they stop for a short time, they're addressing it. I don't think it's a big deal, to be honest. And the market's obviously taken a bit of correction, 10% on that announcement. So I think it's actually an opportunity to buy. However, having said that, out of I love gold on the same camp. Is it the best to buy out of the group? I think Northern Star is partially hedged in terms of price of gold. So probably not. Probably Newmont is the one for me.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.